Numbers, hi. Cat behavior. Yeah, Pog, we'll do this. I like this. That sounds good. El gato! Oh! Gato, gato, gato! What the? Bro, my cat Pog has done that before. He slipped in. Is it? What the hell?
Your cat just stuck his head inside of that pitcher and pushed all of that off the table. Like that! What the fuck?
The poor kitty! No!
Entertaining us in the studio for about 50.
Oh shit! Yo, Pog! Yo, he's shifting. He's about to be me. Like, that's just about to be me for real.
NANI?
Oh!
Ooh.
What is happening in this house?
Huh?
Oh, you don't live here, sir.
Some random
I know this is your house. This is not your house, sir. Go with my... Oh, shit. What are y'all doing? Y'all live together.
An intruder!
Контеситу покажи.
What? Oh! Oh no! Oh, he's so stuck. Caught in the act. Oh no. Oh no. That's not how that works. I'm sorry, Agato.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh.
I got this heating pad for my cramps. But I think he is enjoying it a little bit more.
That's what my cat people looks like all the f***ing time, bro.
Huh?
Bonk! Bonk, bonk, bonk! Bro does not sound like a cat. His poor head! Is he gonna fall? Is he gonna break it? Oh! Oh no, you're too fat for that, buddy. Oh god! Please make it! Oh my god, he made it!
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
Damn! The glowing eyes! Finally get transformed. What the? Oh! I could be wrong, but I don't think he likes it. Brain cell received.
T'es gonflé, hein?
Oh! Bo definitely
I really
smells
wish you would.
so mad. Bro said, what the f? What are you doing? Oh. Angie gato. Chat, hold on real quick. I'm gonna... He just flip him?
Buddy, you gotta work with me, okay? You just gotta work with me. Just work with me. Oh my god, my little prince. You're my little prince.
Oh, he's a little
Oh my god, you're my little...
Oh. What the f is he watching? What? Lord, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get food. I'm so hungry. Roar! I'm back. Hi, door. Oh my god. I can't get to the Christmas tree. What? There is no way. There is no way, bro. He's so stimulated. I'm just eating veggie straws in the meantime. Cats will always find a way. Give him Huh? Don't tell me the cat's holding. I thought she was. Oh my god, no way! No fucking way!
Yes. Climb me.
Hi, Morton! Hello!
Rise, my child. Good. I surrender.
Oh. Ow! Ow! God damn! How did he even get up there? Oh my god! Bro's literally Spider-Man. Kill streak, hello! Oh! Why did he do that? Okay. Climb. Climb. No, no, climb. Climb. Falling is not an option. No, no. Oh, God. Never mind. Huh? I was like, it was me. It was me.
Bye.
Oh, he's having so much fun! He loves it! Oh my god, he's so scared!
Stop! Don't click it like that. Put this over there. Here. Charger. Here.
Whoa!
Go play. Anywhere but under the stove.
Megalodon is officially our...
It's freezing so bad. Merch said, don't go under.
Parkour!
Whoa! Oh my god! Holy sh**.
My clothes are finally dry.
What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Callie, who's that?
He's in the toilet. Whoa. Oh.
No.
Whoa. New defensive eating hack destroyed. Boo. That was a whole ass rat.
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop doing this? I have put so much tinfoil on this TV, and I've tried double-sided tape. Nothing is working. I spray him with a spray bottle. He likes being sprayed.
He likes water? Peekaboo!
We're here at our brand new Black Ops
Slayer, hello,
uniform
welcome.
to welcome your son.
Oh, mouth. Sorry, my bad.
Three.
Right.
Oh.
That's why they're here. Nothing else. We
The jump! What? Huh? You with the fish so bad? What the hell? What the?
No.
Oh my god! He slid all the way down. What the?
This just in, Megalodon is.
No, it is not like that noise. My cat when I have oh well.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I know what you're doing. I saw what you're doing. You can just hide them.
Okay, Chad, it's time.
You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to flow. This opportunity runs once in a lifetime. Lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to flow. This opportunity runs once in a lifetime.